Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have an unboxing video for you today. I'll be showing you the February kit from Creative Retreat Faith Art Boxes. I am on the design creative team over there, and so I've started to try to remember to unbox them over here on my channel so you guys can take a look. So this will be the kit coming out for February. You can either pick these kits up individually, or I would recommend subscribing to the kits. And the subscription, I believe, is for 3 months. You do get a discount doing it that way, and you're also guaranteed to get the kit. Past kits have sometimes run out and have sold really quickly, and I think this might be one that's going to do that. So you definitely want to go over and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to these kits. And this month is a little bit special. So if you order from February 1st to February 28th and you spend over $10, you will get a free set of white wonky heart stickers. So these will not be for sale individually in the shop. This is just part of the promo. And you might be thinking, oh, those are kind of boring and plain, but you can ink them up, you can add paint, you can add stamping, you could do some mixed media, all kinds of fun things. I may do a video kind of showing how I jazz these up, so stay tuned for that. But this will be the little bonus if you spend more than $10 during the month of February. So there is that. And then here is the February kit, and you're going to see some differences here as well. So typically you get 2 little bow clips or fabric clips as a part of the kit, but this month Danielle switched things up a little bit, so you're not getting those clippies this month, but you are getting a set of enamel stickers, and I am so excited about this. And so let me just hold these up so you can see them. You get 5 different colors that all correspond with this month's kit, and these are colors that I've seen played out in past kits also, so you can use these in other places. You get a variety of hearts and circles in different sizes, and they are sticky backed, so they're just like stickers. So I'm really excited. I love using these in my Bible. They do have some dimension, but it's not so much that it's going to add tons of bulk to your Bible pages. I'm excited about that. You also get 2 sheets of cardstock stickers. You've got this one here that's got some more of those wonky hearts. You've got some crosses. You have these awesome little label pieces. I miss seeing Hello Jillski's processes because she always had some creative ways of incorporating these into her journaling. But I am going to try to channel my inner Jill and use these more in my journaling. Over here we have a tab, and I don't know if this was on accident or purpose, but I kind of love it. It's typically these tabs were kind of perforated, and so you could fold them in half. I always cut mine in half and then had 2 separate tabs. This month they're cut separate, so you have 2 separate tabs. So I really love that. You could always stick them together and use them like the old ones, but I like that I don't have to cut them apart, and I can add some stamping or add some word fetty to jazz up this plain white tab. So I'm excited about that. You also have some word fetty up here that corresponds with the stamp set and the other content in the kit. Don't be afraid to mix and match past kits with the current kits. That's one thing I'm trying to be better about, is to use up some of these words, and a lot of times there's colors that are similar throughout the kits, so definitely look at that. And then you get a set of cardstock alpha tiles. These are my favorite shape of alphas from Creative Retreat. I love the Tim Holtz, I think they're alpha tile stickers. They're teeny tiny little black alpha stickers, and these are very similar to those, and so these are great for filling in on these labels or on the Creative Retreat banners, creating titles with them, mixing and matching them with some of the larger letters in the stamp set. They are just a alpha that I find very versatile and I use again and again. So you get 2 different colors, and they go with the rest of the colors in the kit. You also get a little stamp set here, and this little bow piece is so cute. I think I'm going to try heat embossing it to give it some dimension and some color, and maybe some Wink of Stella to give it some shimmer. I don't know, I think that's going to be a really fun one to play with. And then you have a mix of fonts and words, so you can create a variety of different titles with these. You've got For God So Loved the World, For God So Loved Me, Your Great Love, So there's a variety of things that you can do. And these are fonts that we've seen in past kits. So if you have older kits, you can grab out those stamp sets. I know there are still some older kit stamp sets available in the shop, so check that out. These are fonts that we've seen before, so you can kind of mix and match things that way. And then you've got some of these wonky hearts, super cute, and then a little floral piece. So love, love, love. I really like the size of these if you're wanting to do smaller journaling in your margins. Let's say you're wanting to do multiple entries on the same page. These are great for doing that because they are not so big that they go over your text. They really stay in the margin well, so I like that. And then you also get some devotional content. So I did see some questions about the devotions. These are standard and included in the kits always now. This is not bonus material. This is always included, and I love that. So this month it's written by Caitlin Wernett, The Legacy of Love, and this is talking about how great God's love is. And so, you know, it's the month of February, you've got Valentine's Day, all the mushiness, but let's focus on God's love, and I'm excited about that. So you've got some verses that you can use as jumping off points for your journaling. She includes some reflection questions over here. You could either work through them all at once or break them up over several days, however you want to do it. I always have fun kind of looking at it, working through some of it, and then revisiting it even maybe a week later, and I usually get a little more out of it the second or third time around in the devotional content. So I love that. And then in the back you have this really pretty pattern. So once you've worked through the devotional, you can either use this to punch out tabs or shapes or create tags, tip-ins. Some of the gals I've seen have used this to create little booklets out of them. Super, super cute. If you're not already following the Creative Retreats YouTube channel, definitely go over and subscribe, because I post over there and I try to cross post over here, but there's also other girls posting videos with tutorials and processes using the monthly kits. So definitely check that out. Also check out the Creative Retreat blog where the rest of the creative team is over there creating projects, so you can kind of see some really creative, fun ways that they're using these kits. So leave me any questions or comments you might have down below. Check out the description box for all the links to the products used today, as well as over on my blog. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this kit, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.